Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Iris. If you like my videos, you can give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Today we are going to check our AIRJORDAN5 Bluebird quality. And if you want to get your pair, you can directly find my website. And also, if you have any questions, you can DM me through these contact infos. Okay. You can see, let's have a close look of our sneakers. The colorway is blue, light blue. It's very clear and beautiful. You can see the inside and the tag. We have a big tongue here. And the side. See the material. Air cushion here. Just like a bluebird. And the bag, the gentleman. You see the classic design. See the inside. And the bottom. Let's check another one. The shoe tone. The laces are very beautiful color. Okay, let's have a whole look for our sneakers. Round. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.